I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Alright guys, here we are. We have a 2021 Bobcat S76 R Series. Show you guys it's a 21. Give you guys a walk around. We have a sweeper attachment on it to sweep the parking lot for the car show. It's really dirty because I've been using it all day. But again, it's a 21 2-speed. And we'll jump in the cab and I'll show you guys what changed. Alright, we're back in the cab here. We have the screen up top there, all the new buttons. So to start this thing, press that once. It will ask you for your code. I'm not going to show you guys my code. Turn the AC down so you guys can hear me. So once you enter your code, hit the button, gauges come on, hold that down, start button, started, put your lap bar down. You should probably put your seatbelt on, but I'm not one to wear one. So in order to get moving in one of these, you get all ready, turn off the parking brake, unlock the hydros, and if you're going to use an attachment, you have your low flow and your high flow. I just need low for this. You have all your lights right here. The H and the ISO to shift on, or to steer with the controls, does not work on this model. Here's your throttle. And then down here you have your camera, your backup camera, which is pretty sweet. You can pair your phone, go to the home screen, you got your gauges. You can click the camera, phone, audio. It has the radio built in, and then here's a list of all the attachments you could select. Stump grinders, snow pushers, snow V-blade, grader, dozer blade, concrete pump, concrete mixer, a chipper, box blade with laser, and an angle broom. Which ours, we're using the angle broom, so it's not an angle broom, but it works as that. So there you go for that. So now that all your stuff's unlocked, you have your normal 2 joysticks. Everybody pretty much knows how that works. You got your Bobcat attach, up and down. That's so you can quickly disconnect your bucket and switch. The windshield wipers. This is an enclosed cab. And then it has the auto leveling bucket, the auto level up and down. And I'm not sure what that one does, or that one, because I don't think that's the accessory that's installed. It does have air conditioning, which is sweet. So it's a little walk around of a 2021 Bobcat, guys. Alright, so I said I'd show you guys a little demo. Here on this joystick, you have your turtle, and you have your bunny rabbit, that's your 2-speed. This one you can turn on your attachments, and you can undo stuff. So the right foot pedal curls the bucket forward, back curls it towards you, straight down on the left lowers the whole arm, and then it raises the arm if you go back towards you. As far as driving, if you go in the turtle mode, let's give us some high speed. Moving, you want to switch to turtle mode, then you can go really fast.